Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another quick bag tour to share with you today. So today's bag is this vintage Coach small hippie flap, and I believe it's in the color Vicuna. At least the bag is still new with tags, and the little color code is VIC, which my friend Dave told me that likely stands for Vicuna, so I believe that's the color. It's kind of a little darker than British tan, if you're familiar with that color. It's a really nice, kind of rich, warm brown color, as you can see. And this specific bag was made in the year 2000 in the US, and as you can see, it still has the original price tags attached, so it looks like it was never used, and it's got a Lord & Taylor tag, so I'm assuming it was sold at that department store back in the day. So it is a smaller size bag, as the name suggests. I think Coach might have made a larger version of this bag, but I'm not 100% sure. Oh, and it also comes with the little registration card and this little booklet. So it's definitely in nicely preserved condition. So I'll go ahead and give you a close-up now. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side. And here's the other side, and then here's the back of the bag. And then on the front, it does have the word Coach engraved here on the hardware, on the nickel hardware. Hopefully you can see it well on camera. And I would say it's more of a shoulder bag. Here's the strap, and then I'll try to show you the inside. It's kind of hard to get it to fit on frame or in frame, so I'll turn it sideways. So here's what the inside looks like. I'll pull out the little pocket flap that has the creed and show you. There it is. It's got a zip pocket, as you can see, and then here's the creed. Okay, and then just the inside, it still has the little Coach tissue paper inside. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it says Coach. So I think it'd probably be most comfortable as a shoulder bag, but I guess you could kind of probably fit it as a crossbody bag if you really wanted to, but it would be a little tight, so I think it's more intended to be a shoulder bag. But anyway, that's what the small hippie flat bag looks like. As always, I will link the Etsy listing below if you wanted to look at the bag further, but otherwise, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.